The Knudson and Morrison model is a systematic approach to teaching motor skills. It is widely used in sports coaching and physical education. The model emphasizes a cyclical process of observation, analysis, and intervention. This ensures continuous improvement in skill execution. Developed by Drs. Knudson and Morrison, this model provides a structured framework. It guides coaches and instructors in analyzing performance. The model breaks down skill acquisition into 5 distinct stages. These stages work together to optimize the learning and refinement of motor skills. The Knudson and Morrison model is not a rigid set of rules. It is a flexible framework. It can be adapted to suit various sports and individual athletes. The model's strength lies in its emphasis on observation and analysis. This allows for personalized instruction based on individual needs. By understanding and applying the Knudson and Morrison model, coaches can create more effective training programs. This leads to improved skill development and overall performance enhancement. The model serves as a valuable tool for anyone involved in teaching or coaching motor skills. The Knudson and Morrison model consists of 5 key stages: preparation, observation, evaluation, intervention, and re-observation. Each stage plays a crucial role in the overall effectiveness of the model. Preparation involves thoroughly understanding the skill to be taught. This includes analyzing the skill's biomechanics and identifying key performance indicators. Coaches must also consider the individual learner's current skill level and goals. Observation requires carefully watching the learner perform the skill. This can involve using video analysis or simply observing with a keen eye. The focus is on identifying any deviations from the ideal technique. Evaluation involves analyzing the observations made. Coaches determine the cause of any errors in performance. This might involve considering factors such as timing, coordination, and body positioning. Intervention is where the coach provides feedback and implements strategies to correct errors. This could include verbal cues, visual demonstrations, or physical guidance. The goal is to help the learner develop a more effective technique. Re-observation involves observing the learner again after the intervention. This allows the coach to assess the effectiveness of the intervention and make further adjustments as needed. The cycle then repeats, with each iteration leading to further improvement. The Knudson and Morrison model finds wide application in various sports and physical activities. Its versatility makes it an invaluable tool for coaches and instructors across disciplines. In basketball, a coach might use the model to improve a player's free throw technique. The preparation stage involves understanding the biomechanics of a successful free throw. Observation would involve analyzing the player's current technique. Evaluation would pinpoint any flaws, such as incorrect elbow positioning. Intervention might involve providing verbal cues and visual demonstrations to correct the flaw. Finally, re-observation would determine the effectiveness of the intervention. Similarly, a swimming coach could use the model to refine a swimmer's stroke. Preparation would involve understanding the ideal stroke mechanics. Observation would involve analyzing the swimmer's current technique. Evaluation would identify any inefficiencies. Intervention might involve drills to improve body positioning and propulsion. Re-observation would assess the impact of the drills on the swimmer's overall performance. The model's adaptability extends beyond individual skills. Coaches can use it to analyze and improve team dynamics in sports like football or volleyball. By observing team interactions and communication patterns, coaches can identify areas for improvement. Interventions might involve implementing new strategies or communication protocols. Re-observation would then assess the impact on team cohesion and overall performance. The Knudson and Morrison model's systematic approach to skill acquisition has a significant impact on performance improvement. By breaking down the learning process into manageable stages, the model provides coaches with a clear roadmap for success. Firstly, the model's emphasis on observation and analysis allows coaches to identify specific areas for improvement. This targeted approach is far more effective than simply providing generic feedback. By pinpointing the root cause of errors, coaches can tailor their interventions to address the individual needs of each learner. Secondly, the cyclical nature of the model ensures continuous improvement. Regular re-observation allows coaches to assess the effectiveness of their interventions and make necessary adjustments. This iterative process ensures that learners are constantly progressing towards mastery of the skill. Finally, the Knudson and Morrison model encourages a collaborative approach between coach and learner. By actively involving learners in the analysis and evaluation process, coaches foster a sense of ownership and responsibility for their own development. This shared understanding leads to greater motivation and ultimately better outcomes. In conclusion, the Knudson and Morrison model provides an invaluable framework for effective motor skill instruction. Its systematic approach, emphasis on observation, and cyclical nature empower coaches to unlock the full potential of their athletes. By embracing this model, coaches across all disciplines can guide learners towards achieving their performance goals and reaching new heights in their chosen sports.